Hello everyone, welcome to day 20 of our HTML Mastery Course 2026. Today we will learn HTML based practices, which are professional coding guidelines that helps you write a clean, readable, maintainable and SEO friendly HTML code. So following these practices make your code easier for you and other developer to understand, reduce errors and improve website quality. So today's topic is clean code structure, indentation and naming convention. Let's learn about clean code structure. Clean code structure means organize your HTML elements in a logical and meaningful way using semantic tags and proper hierarchy. Instead of placing everything randomly, each section of the web page has a clear purpose, making the code easier to read, maintain, and improve. Professional developers always organize HTML using elements like header, nav, main, section, and footer. So let's take the example. We begin with the HTML documents declaration. This tells the browser that the page uses HTML5. Then open the HTML document. The language is equal to EN. That's attribute specify that the page language is English. And inside the head section, we include important page information. These tags set the character encoding, make the page responsive, and define the browser tab title. Then create the website header. The header usually contains the website title and navigation menu. Add the navigation menu. The navigation elements contain links that help users move around the website. So create the main content. The main element contains the primary content of the web page. Create a section. A section group related content together. Finally, add the footer. The footer contains copyright information or additional links. So the web page is now clean, well organized, easy to read, SEO friendly, and easy to maintain. Let's learn about indentation. Indentation is the practice of adding spaces or tabs before nested HTML elements to clearly show their relationship. Although indentation does not change how a web page looks, it makes the code much easier to read, understand, debug, and maintain. So proper indentation is a standard practice followed by professional web developers. So let's take the example. Now create the HTML documents. So this is the start the web page. Then create the head section, add metadata and the page title. Then create the body. Everything visible on the web page goes inside the body, and then intent child element. Notice how each nested element is moved slightly to the right. So this clearly shows that H1 belong inside header. Then indent the navigation item. Each nested element is indented one level deeper. Indent the main content. This make the hierarchy easy to understand. So proper indentation make your code easy to read, easy to debug, easy to maintain, and least likely to contain mistake. Now let's learn about naming convention. Naming convention are standard rule for giving meaningful and constant names to HTML IDs, classes, and files. Good names clearly describe the purpose of an element, making the code easier to understand, maintain, and scale as a project grow. Professional developers avoid Wigo name like box, dev1, or temp, and instead use descriptive names such as site header, main content, or nav item. So let's take the example. So here, create the descriptive class name site header that is clearly indicates the element is the website header. Then name the navigation clearly class main nav. So this tell us it is the main navigation menu. They use a meaningful name for list, nav item. So these names immediately describe their purpose. So use descriptive IDs. ID is equal to home. So the ID identify the home section of the web page. Name content section properly. Class main content. Then class is equal to section title. Then class is equal to section text. So these names make the code easy to understand even months later. So some best naming practice. Use lowercase letters. Separate words with hyphens. Choose meaningful names. Keep naming constant throughout the project and avoid generic name like dev1, box, stem, class 1. So use proper naming convention, making your HTML easy to understand, easy to maintain, more scalable, more professional, and better suited for teamwork and large projects.